Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I give insights on side hustling, freelancing, work from home and business opportunities. Broke out of brokenness yourself this year. Let's get this money in 2023. And as I said on Fiverr, there are some simple skills you can do. These are I wish happy birthday from Sahara Desert. So you can sing. You don't have to be singing. You can be singing in the bathroom. To this person, I will sing a shower happy birthday song. And this person, I'm gonna play the video and make you hear out some simple gimmicks. So you can even dress like a clown. The customer give you the name of the person and the picture, and you sing the happy birthday song to them. Simple things you can do. This is just singing a birthday song. See, they are doing some gimmicks.
Happy birthday, Nikki.
You have the picture of the
Happy
person
birthday, happy
who the customer said and
birthday.
they're singing
Happy
birthday.
birthday, Nikki.
So it's a very lucrative thank you for mad dance.
Zero!
Just as a clown, pink and
Happy
they hold a
birthday!
happy birthday with the name. So it's a
Birthday,
very simple skill.
Your dreams come true.
Print out the picture, sing for the person.
Happy birthday.
And they're charging $5, unlimited words, printed picture and background. $5. So if they get and they have 5 orders in queue. So you can't go if you can sing good, perfect, you can do this gig. Or if it's a gimmick or you want to act like a clown, or just do some stupid things and when it finishes it's very good.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you.
So you can
Happy
charging basic for $10. One day the standard print
Ramesh.
photo and basic video.
Happy birthday.
And you're doing some simple little gimmicks in the dancing. So if you're even a professional dancer, you can do a gig dancing and singing to the person's happy birthday, or maybe you do the birthday in a different rhythm and things like that. It's a very lucrative business. Alright. This one is singing a shower.
I'll sing happy birthday or say another message for your friend. It'll be something they never ever forget, exclusively here on Fiverr.
So you see, he's singing, he says he's gonna sing in the shower. So that it's a lucrative gig. And he have over 200 reviews. And as I said, persons who purchase leave a review. You charge $35 full monty song, a shot and photo. I will sing a song. Hold up your friend's photo and drink a shot of gunpowder moonshine liquor. So it's a very lucrative sing birthday song. Or yeah, you can even do maybe a wedding gig like a sing wedding like anniversary songs. The like offer that did to could be an anniversary song. Alright, this one is playing and singing, playing a small guitar.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Precious. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You can do this.
Happy birthday to you.
So you just putting yourself out there. And he has one order, you charge $5 straight across the board for 2-day delivery. So and this one is I will sing a depressing happy birthday as a mouse. So the people do some simple little gigs.
Happy birthday to you.
You
Happy
feel like a
birthday
drunkard.
to you. Happy birthday, dear Fiverr. Happy birthday to you. Hey, oh, I love for you, your birthday.
So even that now you can maybe do this. I maybe say that act like a drunkard and sing the happy birthday song. Like, yes. And you charge $5. One simple happy birthday, 76 happy birthday with a twist and a custom message, $15 and $30 for happy birthday with a twist and a custom message, unlimited word, even dirty words. So you can do the, like, it don't have to be birthday, you can do like anniversary, birthday, right? Somebody like coming surprise party or something like that. I give the picture to them, and this one is up to 10,999, 10,000 words. 50 words for the $15 and 30 words for the basic. So it's a very lucrative gig. You can come on here and be a clown, a gimmick, anything you wish to be. Because you can make money from this gig. So you can make money to do foolish and sing and just entertain people. So it's a very good gig. Sing birthday song, you can sing and act like a clown and you'll get in some money. As I said, if you want to supplement your 9 to 5 job or you want to do it as a full-time job, it's very good. Fiverr is a very good platform to make some money. And I'm not talking um, um, Jamaican dollars, I'm talking US dollars. So you can come on it and do this deal. I will wish you happy birthday. So maybe if you want to go and say Mount Everest, you want to go on France or somewhere and anywhere. And alright, even this one, yes, I'll do a happy birthday with my banana. Some of the banana is here like a phone and it's singing happy birthday song. So it's a very lucrative gig. You can do happy birthday song if you can sing, if you can dance, you can do some gimmicks singing and dancing and put it up on here. And a lot of persons will buy your gig. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I broke out of brokenness with Sefi this year. Thank you.